There is so much money to be made just from training AI agents. Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you. I'm sorry I've been AWOL for a while, but I'm back. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get AI jobs, AI training jobs. Now, these are jobs that pay you to train AI, and they pay very, very well. Yeah, I'm talking about $10 per hour, $30 per hour, $70 per hour. So once you get this job, it is your ticket to high paying gigs. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some sites you can search for these AI jobs, and also a particular one I just finished applying for now. Yeah. So if you are watching this, you should quickly go to that site and apply right now. Now there are various sites you can apply for AI jobs. We have Appen, we have Mindrift, we have Outliers. Yeah, but I just found this particular one. They currently have some openings right now, and you can go and apply for jobs there. Yeah, so the application process is pretty straightforward. Immediately you apply and your CV pass the ATS process, you get scheduled for an interview. So right now, let's quickly dive into the site while I show you how it works. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go to your Google Chrome. When you go to Google Chrome, you type micro one, micro one, yeah. Then you search for it. Micro one is the name of the company we are trying to apply for. So when you search for micro one, it will open this page like this. You see micro one career login. You can just quickly go to the career section. Now, when it opens, you are going to be seeing lists of careers you can apply for. Now, the good thing about this is it will show you the available job roles you can apply for. It will show you the amount you get paid per hour, and it will show you the time that job was posted. Yeah. So if you scroll down, you are going to start seeing open jobs. Yeah, open job. You start seeing job roles, language expert. This was posted January 16. That is today. Yeah, it was posted today at the time of me making this video. That's when this job was posted, and it's you are being paid $30 to $90 per hour. Yeah. So what you have to do now is to scroll down. You see where they write view all jobs. You click on it, view all jobs, so you can see all the available jobs right now. So you scroll down till you see something you can do. You see something you can do. Now you just relate it to your own real life experience. Anything you do on a daily basis. If you're a receptionist, you see here. If you're a data analyst, you see here. If you are an operations supervisor or anything you do, yeah, you can train AI to do it. You would eventually see it here. So this is for Python backend engineer and so on. So you look for something you can do. Look for something easy, actually, something easy. If you are an event planner, meeting convention and event planner, and you can train AI to do it, this is it here. And this pays $20 to $43 per hour. It's a full-time remote role, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world. So you're a rental clerk. Yeah, these are just random, normal jobs people do. But now you are just training AI to do it. Yeah. So you look for something you can do. I'm just, this is a receptionist and information clerk AI trainer. Yeah. So you can do something like, let's click this. This is something most of us can do. Yeah. So you click on it. Now it will take you to a page where it will show you the job description of the receptionist. Now you do well to read through it to know what it's talking about. Yeah. And you read the requirements too. When you are done going through it, you click on apply. You click on apply. Now to take you to a page where you actually apply, what you do here is to put in your first name, put in your first name, put in your last name, enter your email address, your phone number. So they already put +234 from Nigeria, so you add the rest. Enter your LinkedIn URL. Now this is nice. You need to have a LinkedIn account. Yeah, you need to have an optimized LinkedIn account. enter it here, and also click here to enter your resume. In this place, the role location, you don't have to put your location. Yeah, you don't have to put your location. You can just keep it, or you put Lagos, Nigeria, but you really do not have to put your location. It's a remote role. You don't have to put your location. Then you click on next. Immediately you click on next, it will take you to a page where you can it will evaluate whether your CV has passed the ATS test. Yeah, they will evaluate your CV, and if it passes, they will send you a mail to take their interview. Yeah, this is the first stage of their interview. Yeah, so this interview will be with an AI bot. Yeah, it will be with an AI bot. So they'll interview you, ask you question. The AI will ask you question. Tell me about yourself, what you understand by the role, and it's going to be like a virtual interview, but you're talking with an AI. Now, this is a very, very smooth process. Immediately you do that, you wait for them to send you the next phase of the interview. But if you eventually get this job pays as high as 20, 30, $40 per hour, and it is your ticket to high paying gigs. Yeah. Now these jobs are open to anyone. These jobs are open to anybody. They don't necessarily You don't necessarily need a qualification to apply for this job. They just need AI to teach them. There are so many jobs in this space. We have data annotators, we have different jobs. You are just telling AI, this is a chair, this is a table, this is what this means. You are just practically teaching AI to think like human. You are practically teaching AI. Now, for you to get this job, yeah, the tip there is for you to have a well written CV. Your CV must be optimized for roles like this. Yeah. So hopefully I will do another video where I will teach you to optimize your CV for AI roles like this. But if you are yet to join my group chat, click on the link below to join. I'll post a CV sample there. You can use the CV to create your own CV to apply for jobs like this. You can come up with experiences, job experience. Nobody is verifying whether you have worked in those places. Yeah, so optimize your CV, optimize your LinkedIn, and start applying for AI job roles. It's a very easy job to do, and it pays you massively. All you have to do is to train AI. Yeah, you train AI to do different things. So see you guys in my next one. I'll be sharing some other websites you can apply for these AI jobs, and also how to eventually get the jobs. Thank you for watching. Bye.